Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 10 best car vacuum cleaners ultimate guide for auto cleaning solutions. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. Ad number 10. Dual-purpose wireless car vacuum cleaner, 290,000 pascals, versatile handheld vacuum for both car and home use, boasting strong suction power at 290,000 pascals. Wireless convenience makes it an ideal choice for quick cleanups on the go. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. Ad number 9. Powerful portable car vacuum cleaner, wireless, a high-performance cleaning machine for cars. This portable vacuum offers powerful suction and wireless convenience. Perfect for car accessories and home use, it's a versatile and efficient tool. Ad number 8. Xiaomi Mijia Handheld Vacuum Cleaner, 120W. Original Xiaomi Mijia's handheld vacuum boasts 120W of super strong suction power. Portable and handy, it efficiently cleans both home and car interiors with ease. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. Ad number 7. High-pressure cordless car vacuum cleaner, 120,000 pascals, a powerful cordless vacuum tool for cars. This device delivers an impressive 120,000 pascals of suction. Ideal for quick and efficient cleaning, it's a versatile choice for both auto and home use. Ad number 6. Electric air blower car vacuum cleaner, a mini car vacuum cleaner with electric air blower function, perfect for cleaning keyboard, computer, laptop, piano, and sofa gaps. Cordless and convenient, it's a versatile cleaning tool. Ad number 5. Large power wireless car vacuum cleaner, 49,000 pascals. With a robust suction power of 49,000 pascals, this portable vacuum cleaner is designed for powerful and efficient cleaning. Wireless and easy to use, it's a handy solution for car and home cleaning needs. Ad number 4. BISSELL Wireless Handheld Fabric Cleaner, 2982Z. BISSELL's wireless handheld fabric cleaner is a versatile machine for cleaning rooms, cars, and household items. Perfect for fabric and carpet cleaning, it provides efficient and convenient use. Ad number 3. Baseus A3 Lite Car Vacuum Cleaner, 12,000 pascals. The Baseus A3 Lite offers a compact and portable solution for car and home cleaning. With 12,000 pascals suction power, it's equipped with an airflow pump for effective cleaning on the go. Ad number 2. 16,000 pascals household and car vacuum cleaner, wireless. This household vacuum cleaner with 16,000 pascals suction power is perfect for car interiors. Wireless and mini-sized, it's a convenient handheld solution for quick and efficient cleaning. At number 1. Wireless handheld car vacuum cleaner, 125000PA, boasting a powerful suction of 125,000 pascals. This wireless handheld vacuum cleaner is designed for effective cleaning in both cars and homes. A portable and efficient cleaning machine for various surfaces.